first of all, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. In this video, I'm going to share a very beautiful and classy collection of hand embroidery designs that are totally, absolutely designed for your dresses. And the beauty of your dresses could be enhanced by making very beautiful and easy trending patterns of embroidery by just following these color combination and exact color of the threads and exact base color of the fabric. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe, and while subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads on my channel. And one more request before going into the further details or depth of the design ideas that where you can use and how you can make your dresses designer type by sitting at in your homes. So the idea is that the basic intent and purpose behind making our all these videos, sharing all of these design patterns, is to share ideas only, to create content and share my opinions via these designs. We never reclaim someone else's work as our own, or we never say that we believe in the concepts of copying material from others. So I hope that it is being clear to our YouTube friends and family members and well wishers. So now let's move back to what our main concern, that where you can use these very beautiful patterns of embroidery. All of these are very simple, easy, lightweight, easy to make hand embroidery, beginner friendly embroidery patterns of different type of neckline embroidery patterns, along with a very beautiful blend of embroidery motifs, neckline embroidery, long neckline embroidery, medium length neckline embroidery, bot neck embroidery, short neck embroidery, along with a well composed mixture of all over embroidery floral patterns, along with borderline embroidery patterns for a perfect matching of dupatta, shawl, or stoller. And even sleeve embroidery patterns have been shown to give a complete full matching look of the dress. So I hope that all of these funky colors and beautiful patterns would give you a mesmerizing look at a broader view at how you can design your patterns by sitting at your home, and you can become a designer of your own. So I would recommend you and request you to do try these patterns and follow the exact color combination of threads and exact pattern of embroidery. And for giving a more enhanced and beautiful look, I would recommend you to use the same color of the fabric base also. All of these are comfortable, breathable patterns of embroidery which you can easily wear on your everyday basis. All age group persons could be easily, comfortably worn these dresses, and teenagers could easily flaunt these very beautiful patterns of embroidery as a perfect matching along with their jeans and denim and different type of fitted pants. And mid-range persons could pair up these very beautiful patterns of neckline embroidery dresses, shirts, tops, kurti, along with their shalwar, bottom, and trousers. And baby girl dresses could also be designed by minimizing the length of these very beautiful patterns of neckline. I hope that you like the ideas. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section and tell us which design you like the most and why.